ሰላም ቤተሰብ እንኳን ወደ ቻናል በሰላም መጣችሁ። እንግዲህ ደግሞ ዛሬ ይዘንላችሁ የመጣሁት ሀሳብ ምንድነው? ክፍል 2 የማኔጅመንት የኤግዚት ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎች ናቸው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች እንግዲህ በጋራ እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይህን ጥያቄ በደንብ ፎከስ አድርጋችሁ ለኢንትራንስ ፈተና ተዘጋጅታችሁ አሪፍ ውጤት እንድታመጡ ምኞቴን እየገለጽኩኝ ስለዚህ እናንተ ይህን ቻናል ላይክ እንዲሁም ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቻናሉን ተቀላቀሉት እያልኩኝ ምክንያቱም በዚህ ቻናል ብዙ የኤግዚት ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎች ይኖራሉ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎች ለማግኘት ከቻናሉ ጋር ባለቤት መሆን አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ወደ መጀመሪያው ጥያቄ እንሄዳለን። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ምንድነው? ማኔጅመንት is the process of blank a doing work personally, b achieving objectives through people, c giving punishment, d making profit only ያለ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ management is a process of achieving objectives through people ነው ማለት ነው። ሁለተኛ question number 2 a management is required in a business organization only, b government organization only, c all types of organization, d factory only. So in which area management is mainly applied? Business organization only, government organization only, c all types of organization, d only factory. Yes. So management is required in all types of organization. So the answer is C. Question number 3. Which is not characteristics of management? A goal-oriented, B continuous process, C static activity, D group activity. You see, which is not a characteristics of management? Goal-oriented, B continuous process, C static activity, D group activity. So which one is not a characteristics of management? C static activity is one of that is not the characteristics of management. C is the answer. Question number 4. Management is both A science and profession, B art and science, C skill and luck, D authority and power. Yes, what is the management is? It is both science and profession, art and science, skill and luck, D authority and power. So management is both art and science. So B is the appropriate answer. Question number 5. Who is called the father of modern management? A. Henry Fayol, B. Taylor, C. Peter Drucker, D. Max Weber. Yes. So the answer is B. Most of you know this are. Number 6. Management helps in blank. A. Reducing efficiency, B. Wasting resource, C. Achieving organizational goals, D. increasing conflict. So what is the use of management in other words? A. Reducing efficiency. B. Wasting resource. C. Achieving organizational goals. D. Increasing conflict. Yes. So management helps in what? Achieving organizational goals and target and objectives. So the answer is C. Question number 7. Management is blank. A. It is universal. B. It is country specific. C. It is based on cultural free. D. It is based on optional. Yes. What is the scope? The scope of management. In other words, is it universal? Is it country specific? Is it culture free? Or is it optional? So the scope of management is universal. So the answer is C. I mean A. Question number 8. Which resource is most important? Which resource is most important from the given? A. Money. B. Machines. C. Human resource. D. Technology. So from the given resource, human resource is the most important. So the answer is what? C. Question number 9. Efficiency means A. Doing right things. B. Doing work with the minimum cost. C. Completing or work late. D. Working without planning. What is efficiency means? Meanings of efficiency. Which can briefly describe the word efficiency? So efficiency is doing work with the minimum cost. So C is the answer. Less input and more output is required in order to say we have an efficiency. So B is the answer. Work something within minimum cost. So B is the answer. Question number 10. Effectiveness means A. Minimum cost. B. Achieving objectives. C. Reducing employees. D. Cutting salary. When you say that some organization or somebody is effectiveness, how to measure the effectiveness of something? With minimum cost, with achieving objectives, with reducing employees, or having cutting salary. So B. Achieving objectives is a measure of effectiveness of something. Question number 11. Planning is concerned with A. Past activities. B. Present activities. C. Future actions. D. Controlling workers. Yes. So planning is focused on the future action or future activities. So our answer is C. The first function of management is A. Organizing. B. Planning. C. Staffing. D. Controlling. Yes. So the first function of management is planning. B is the answer. Planning helps to blank. A. Reduce uncertainty. B. Increasing risk. C. Delay decision. C. Delay decision. D. Stop work. Yes. So planning helps to blank. A. Reduce uncertainty. B. Increasing risk. C. Delay decision. C. Delay decision. D. Stop work. So planning helps to reduce uncertainty. Yes. So A is answer. Question number 14. Organizing involves A. Setting objectives, B. Assigning duties, C. Motivating workers, D. checking workers. So when we say that organizing involves, it is assigning of duties and tasks. So the answer is B. Organizing creates echo. B. Authority, responsibility, relationship. C. Conflict. D. Laziness. So it creates authority, responsibility, relationship. Question number 16. Staffing means A. Giving orders, B. Hiring and developing employees, C. Making plans, D. Controlling finance. What does staffing means? S. Can you try? Giving orders, hiring and developing employees, making plans, D. Controlling finance. So staffing means hiring and developing employees. So B is the answer. 17. Directing includes A. Planning and organizing, B. Motivation, leadership and communication, C. Staffing only, D. Controlling only. What directing includes? Planning and organization, motivation, leadership and communication, staffing only, controlling only. So directing includes motivation, leadership and communication together. Question number 18. Motivation means, what is motivation? Forcing employees, inspiring employees to work, treating workers, cutting salary. So what motivation means? Inspiring or initiating an employee to do work. So it is so easy question, and it is B. Motivation meaning it is inspiring of an employee to do their task properly by initiating them. So B is the answer. B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 19. Leadership is the ability to punish workers, B. Influence people, C. Control machine, D. Give salary. So leadership is the ability to influence people. The last question. Communication is important because it creates misunderstanding, transforms information, waste time, D. Stops work. What's the answer? Communication is important because it creates misunderstanding, transfers information, waste time, stops work. So communication is important because it transfers information or an idea from someone to the other. So communication is important because of transfers and information. So B is the answer. ስለተከታተላችሁኝ እናመሰግናለን። ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ስላደረጋችሁ ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። በሚቀጥለው ክፍል 2 እንገናኛለን ማለት ነው። ስለተከታተላችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ